Hey, what's up? I want to show you how to create a group on Facebook. You can use this for a VIP group, your launch party, um, an online party, or a makeup class for a customer. And I want to set up a summer sleigh group. So on Facebook, come down here to the left side, and this is on desktop, obviously. I'm going to hit groups. It's going to show you what groups you're in, groups it recommends, groups by different categories. And still over here on the left menu side, you can go down to create group. And when you create a group, you're going to have to name it. And you also need to add at least one person to the group. So this box comes up, and this is going to be 2019 Summer Sleigh. And this is for some special individuals that are part of my organization. And I have to add one person to this. So I'm going to add Melina Carnell. And it should pop her name up. There we go. And this is going to be a closed group, so people would be able to search and find it. And I can also share a link so people can join it. I'm going to create this. It's being a little slow. Okay, now you can personalize your group. One thing that I'm going to go right in and do is edit the group settings. It comes down here. I'm going to customize the address so it's easy for people to find. And so it's going to be facebook.com/groups/2019 Summer Sleigh. As long as no one else has that address, we should be good to go. Perfect. So then you can see up here, the web address is facebook.com/groups/2019 Summer Sleigh. So then I can share this link with people and they can request to join the group. Hope that helps and have a great day.